Hello world. So this is the start of a video series in which we will discover the Python standard library. This video is about cProfile. cProfile is a library that helps you profiling your Python code. It tells you about how much CPU time is used, how many times a function is called. So we'll start by importing cProfile. Done. So let's just create a dummy function to get to know how it works. And it's actually very simple, so it's not very difficult that you might think that in order to optimize a code you have to learn so many things. It's very simple actually. Just create a function def do something, and let's say the list, and for I in range, let's say 100,000, and then let's do li dot append I then we'll do li dot short maybe, and we'll return li. So to initialize the profile, do cProfile dot profile, and then we'll do pr dot enable. Then we'll call the function, and we'll do pr dot disable. So enable enables the logging. It records all the things going on behind the scenes, and then do something, calls the function, then pr disable disables the logging. So now you can do it pr dot print stats. So now if we do python 37 prof.py, what's this? We'll make it there's a mistake in the code. So let's run this and see what happens. So here you can see that there is number of calls, this total time taken, per call time, cumulative time, and you can see that append method is called like 100,000 times, and then sort is called one time, it took 0.01 second, and append took 0.007 second. So this is like the statistics data of how the code ran. So you can also dump this in a file just using dump stats and giving a file name. Let's call it prof data, and then you can read from that file using something called pstats. So there's another library called pstats. You can just write maybe ps equals to pstats dot stats, and you can give the file name here data, then ps dot short. You can do sorting based on these columns, cumulative time, total time, number of calls. So for sorting there are some like predefined constants in the pstats libraries called short keys. So we'll do it like this, and then pstats dot sort key cumulative. So this sorts by the cumulative time, and then we'll do ps dot again print stats. Run the code again. As you can see, it's nothing changed, and cumulative time is the largest top and the lower is at the bottom. And but if you see here, it created a prof data. This is a binary file. You can use this file, you can send it somewhere and use it later maybe. This is how you can dump the stats in a file. So that's about it.